Hey y'all, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're good, great, fantaberifical, and all that good stuff. So guys, this is going to be a super quick video today. As you could tell by the title, I'm just announcing the new die cuts in my Etsy shop. I am super excited. There are 5 new sets, and so we're going to go through that in a minute. But first I want to talk about the new packaging. So initially when I put these out, I mentioned that I was putting them into handmade envelopes, and the first batch of sales that went out did go out in handmade envelopes. Super cute, but super time consuming, and so I've kind of nixed that idea. I do still have about 20 envelopes that I'm not going to be using for this anymore, but I have a really cool idea for those, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're just going to be going into some regular schmegular packaging. It's still super cute but not the handmade envelopes. So it's just going to be in cellophane, which of course keeps them nice and dry and safe, and a little backing card, and you can see what's in there. So we will go into the new sets now, and the video reviewing the new product, that's going to be out tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be super fun. I'm so excited. It's a super cool product. Tomorrow, that is coming. Tomorrow night, probably. But yes, let's get into the die cuts. So like I said, guys, there's 5 new sets, and so let's just flip up. So this is the first set. This is called Outdoor Autumn. I'm not good with naming things, so some of these names are really basic, but this is Outdoor Autumn, and it just has a bunch of fall type stuffs, some leaves and some berries. Of course, your fall sweater and scarves, some pumpkins, some coffee, a bonfire. I really love this one. It's so cute. Next, we have some toadstools. These are some really colorful. You probably won't see the proper colors on the video here, but check out the Etsy link in the description. You'll see the real colors, but it's just 4 of these. They're fairly large-ish. So you get 2 of each in the set though. So you're gonna get 8 total. And that's that. Toadstools. Then we have our winter fun. Look at the little fox and the penguin and the little deer. They're so cute. The little gingerbread. So stupid. This is just a bunch of cute little winter stuff. A couple trees. A stick. I know, random, but hey. A little acorn. Listen, some of these are so small. Look how tiny this is. But I love how tiny it is. I'm sorry, die cuts just excite me. They make me happy. You know I love my little tiny bits and bobs, and these just sing to my bits and bobs heart. So that's the winter one, and then we have 2 Christmas ones. These are so good for card making, guys. This is the Christmas sentiments. You're gonna get 2 of each in this set, and it's perfect for, let me see, I have a 5x7 card somewhere. Here it is. It's perfect for 5x7 cards. Look at that. Perfecto. And even smaller. I mean, the fact that you have all this space around here, I'm sure it's going to be perfect for a 4x6 as well. So these are just wonderful card making tools. You know me. I love making cards. I haven't made cards in the last couple years, so I need to do that this year again, for sure. And then we have just a bunch of Merry Christmas. Because again, it's so easy for card making. Some of these are wide, most of them are attached like this, but it could still fit on your 5x7 card. And you can cut them. You can cut the Merry from the Christmas and double stack them like this one. This one comes separate, but each of them could be cut apart if you want. And I just kind of hand drew different random styles of fonts. So this is super fun too. Again, you're going to get 2 of each in the set when you buy this one. And that's it, guys. We've got the 2 Christmas, we've got the winter, we've got the fall, and we've got the toadstools. And then again, if you didn't know, I have these as well. These are the first ones that came out. This is the spring foliage. This is the bottled botanicals. So cute. This is the positivity. This is the art life. This is mushroom bunch. and this is Retro Florals. So that's it, guys. Go check out the die cuts. Please take a look at them. I think they're so cool. These are going to be so good for your card making. And I wanted to put out these Christmas ones super early because I know that it's going to take a minute to get to you. And then you might want to mail some cards out to other people around the world, which will take some time then as well. So get them while you can now. And yeah, that's it. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!